Welcome back, YouTube.
Welcome back, YouTube. Millennial Dad here, and today your boy's going to be installing and reviewing the Dekco 2K Wi-Fi security camera that I got from Amazon. It looks like this. It was $90 for two of them. You can't go wrong. Usually one security camera is about like over $100. I got two of them for $90 with taxes included. Some pretty cool things about this camera was that it was really easy to install. It took about like 5 to 10 minutes. All you need is a drill, a screwdriver, a 1/4 inch size drill bit that's about 12 to 18 inches long, so you can go through the wall and the USB can pass through there. With two stickers where you can put on the wall where it has the holes marked where you should align the holes so you can install the camera, and you don't have to do it manually with a pencil or pen and then worry about the hole alignment. So that's actually very handy. It came with that. It makes the job so much easier. Before you drill any holes in your wall, outside, backyard, wherever you want to install this camera, please check the Wi-Fi connection. That is the biggest thing that you should do before you drill any holes and then the cameras don't work and now you have holes in your backyard, in the garage, everywhere. So what you need to do is obviously connect it to the Wi-Fi, make sure it's working nice, then bring it to the actual location. Get an extension cord, get something where you can bring it to outside where your garage is, or bring it to the backyard where it's going to be located, and try it out. Make sure that the camera is working good, that it's stable. It is wired, so it should be good, but you got to check it out because you do not want to make sure, oh yeah, it's working perfect at home, it's all good, all Gucci, and then all of a sudden you go put it outside and it's not working. It's appears offline or unable to connect or whatever. That would be so annoying, and then you have holes in your wall. So what I recommend is, please, before you drill anything, make sure you plug it in, extension cord, bring it to where you want it. Make sure you have the app, make sure everything's working good, and if you are getting connection there and it's stable and everything is good, then you drill the holes. Another cool feature about this camera is that you don't have to pay a subscription to the cloud or whatever that some cameras force you to, or else you can't record anything. With this camera, you get one of these guys from Amazon, 2 micro SD cards, 128 gigs. You're set. You can record 24/7. It records on there. If something happens, you take out the SD card, put it into your laptop, and you see the footage. You save the footage, you download it, whatever it is, and you have it all there. You can share the camera with like your siblings, with your parents, and it's very easy. As long as they download the Dekco app, it's there. They have the app, they have a profile or whatever. It's gonna say, okay, share with your sister, share with your brother. They're gonna show up, and then you just click share, and then boom, they have access to seeing both cameras. Enough of me talking. Let's go to the backyard. Let's install the camera so you guys can see what it looks like. I'll show you guys from the app what it looks like too. And let's go and let's get it. All right, so we made the hole to go through the wall, and now we're just gonna mount it onto the wall here, onto the brick. So it came with a sticker. It comes with 2 stickers, but you know, the sticker disappeared for some reason. So now we gotta do this manually like this. So I would recommend just to go like that so you don't break the camera. Just do like a little one here. When you don't have the sticker, you have to improvise, right? The location. Now you gotta use a bigger drill bit so you can put the anchors. Okay. Here, tell me when the wire is good.
There.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, give me the screw.
I don't know where it is.
Here's the drill.
GoPro's heavy.
Are you kidding me? Essa gaja é maluca, da cabeça, da cabeça. Essa câmera vai dar luz. That's what it looks like. It's installed. It's not going anywhere. And now we just gotta try it out, calibrate it, see how it is, and see you guys after. All right, here I'm in the backyard. I'm calibrating the camera. I'm going left to right, making sure it goes 180 degrees like it's supposed to. And it's going very smoothly. As you can see, it's going back and forth just the way I was testing it. Very nice. And over here, I'm in the front of the house. I am not really moving it. I'm just keeping it stationary because that's the position I want it. Here, I'm going into the app. I'm going to show you guys how it works, going to the backyard. And then as you can see, I'm here. I'm going to test it to go to left and right so you guys can see how it looks like. See, I'm going to left, looking at the shed, moving it back to where it usually is. And then I'm just showing you the sensitivity. Move it a little bit more to the left, a little bit more. And I'll just bring it back to where I want it. You can actually even zoom in through the app and just, by pinching it, there we go. No one's in the pool, thank God. And yeah, that's what it is. There's also an alarm. I'm going to turn it on. Boom, you see it there, right there on the screen. They also have different options that to calibrate it and tracking, that it actually tracks somebody if they're moving or move by itself. There it is right there. That's the settings. Well, I hope this video helps. If you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!